No tego to nie widziałam.
Right, passing through there is a service from Birmingham Moor Street to London Marylebone, and the unit 168004. So hello viewers and welcome to the latest video from B-Tucker Videos, and today I am at Gerrards Cross, which is on the Chiltern Main line. So today here at Gerrards Cross we'll be seeing services from Chiltern Railways only, and hopefully a good mix of the 165, 168, possibly 172, and hopefully also like the loco horde sets as well. Hopefully we'll get a good mix of all of the Chiltern Railways units here at Gerrards Cross. This is my second time filming here at Gerrards Cross. The first time was back in July 2017, so about two years ago was the last time I actually filmed here at Gerrards Cross. The only previous time, and from what I remember, I had a good time filming here 2 years ago. So hopefully today will be another good session as well. The unit we saw pass through in the first clip was, which I think still, like the first clip was of 165003, and that was a terminating service from London Marylebone, which was which we saw head on an ETS move into a Gerrards Cross siding, just down from the station in that direction, and it will come back around to form the 1249 departure. So without further ado, let's get started, shall we? Let's get started here at Gerrards Cross. Enjoy all. Right, passing through there, 168215, and that is on a passing service. I think that's a 1226 pass to Birmingham Moor Street. Well, also, as I can see in the distance, is another passing service. This is a passing service from Oxford, slightly delayed 1223 pass. The unit from Oxford 168003. Bit of numerical order because a previous service passing through on this platform was 168004, which was on the pass from Moor Street. But we just saw on the other side a passing service to Birmingham Moor Street. Right, passing through there, 168002 on the delayed 1223 pass to Oxford, running about 15 late. Right, coming in now is the delayed 12:37 service to Aylesbury. Formed of 165007 and 165009. Yeah, we'll be seeing a lot of the same units over again across these videos, just to let you know. Departing 8.5 minutes late is a 12:37 to Aylesbury, 165007 and 165009. Next stop Sear Green, followed by Beaconsfield, High Wycombe, Princes Risborough, Monks Risborough. Well, between Princes Risborough and whatever. After Monks Risborough is Little Kimble, then Aylesbury. Right, coming in here is delayed 12:42 to London Marylebone, originating in Banbury, which is already full and standing. Next stop Wembley Stadium, followed by London Marylebone. Right, departing there, the delayed 12:42 to London Marylebone, originating in Banbury, departing 8 minutes late. Right, coming through now is a pass from Birmingham Snow Hill to London Marylebone, 168106. Next up on the other side should be the 12:49 departure, which would be the unit in the siding down there. That was the service it terminated in, that brought me in earlier. Passing platform 1 is a service to Oxford. One 168113. That's on the slightly delayed 12:51 pass to Oxford. Meanwhile, coming around from the siding is the 12:49 service to London Marylebone, which will be calling at Denham Golf Club, Denham, West Ruislip, South Ruislip, Norfolk Park, Wembley Stadium and London Marylebone. They're delayed at least 6 minutes, but with a number of people that was trying to get on the last service on the other side that stopped on the other side, the London service. This one actually starts here, so it's already empty, with enough space for all the passengers. They're departing already, 12:49 to London Marylebone, 7 minutes late, which is delayed leaving due to earlier delays. Due to earlier delays. on that side of the station, on the platform 2 track, 165003. $68,014 and $82,304. They are on the 1256 or something like that pass to Birmingham Snow Hill, originating London Marylebone. Right, coming in now, the 1304 to Banbury, formed of 165028. Right, departing out now, the 1304 to Banbury, 165028, the unit on this service today. Right, coming in now is the 1311 service to London Marylebone. The service originating at Aylesbury, formed of 165036. Right, departing out here is 165036, which is on the 1311 to London Marylebone, calling at Denham and London Marylebone. This service originated at Aylesbury. Right, coming in now is a service from London Marylebone, and this service terminates here. It is the 1319 arrival, coming in like minute and a half or so early, formed of 165031. In a moment or two, it'll go down to a siding which is just beyond the end of the platform in that direction. Right now, 165031 is heading to the siding. I'll zoom in a bit to see, try and catch it. Further down the track, heading into a siding. Off it goes there, into a short shuffle to the other side before heading into a siding. It'll form the 1351 departure back to Marylebone later. And passing through now is a service to Oxford. 168003, heading to Oxford. Right, we've now got two services passing through. This one to Birmingham Moor Street, 168005. 168329 and 168108 to London, Marylebone. These 168s. I'm not quite sure if you saw them go to Birmingham or Oxford earlier, but I can't also see a comment on screen saying which one it is. Right, passing through now is a service to Oxford. Formed of 168216. The 1351 pass to Oxford. About to pass through is the delayed 1347 pass to London Marylebone, originating Birmingham Snow Hill. One 168219, the unit on that service today, passing through to London Marylebone. Right, coming back around from the sidings is the 1351 service to London Marylebone. He waited until that service from Snow Hill had passed through before coming into the platform. So he's a couple of minutes late heading back to Marylebone. This is 165031. Departing out now, about 4.5 minutes late, the 1351 to London Marylebone, starting here, formed of 165031, calling at Denham Golf Club, Denham, West Ruislip, South Ruislip, Norfolk Park, Wembley Stadium and London Marylebone. So next stop, Denham Golf Club. Right, passing through 168, 106 and 168328. They are heading to Birmingham Snow Hill, originating London Marylebone, the 1356 pass. Right, passing through Gerrards Cross now is a service originating from Oxford, heading to London Marylebone. Double pair of class 168323 and 168322. Right, coming in now is the 1404 service to Banbury. Calling it Here, Green and Jordan's, Beaconsfield, High Wycombe, Princess Risborough, Haddenham and 10 Parkway, Bicester North and Banbury. With a unit of 165002 on this service today. Right, departing now, 165002. That's on a service to Banbury. Next stop, Sir Green and Jordan's. Right, let's see what's next, shall we, here at Gerrards Cross. Right, departing out now, 165009 and 165007. They are on the delayed 1411 to London Marylebone, originating Aylesbury. 165009 and 007. I think calling it Denham and London Marylebone. The only two stops left on that service. Right, coming in now is a terminating service from London Marylebone. It's a 14:19 arrival, coming in a couple minutes early. It's 165036 on this service. Heading off now, 165036 to the Gerrards Cross siding, where it will reverse out and enter the other platform to form the 1431 departure back to London Marylebone. So they'll be around shortly. That will probably be the last one I filmed, the 1431, but we got a few passes before then. Right, passing through is 168109. That is a service originating from Birmingham Moor Street.
Stand well away from the edge of
originates from Birmingham Moor Street.
The approaching train is not scheduled to stop at this station.
Yeah, platform 1 this side, so this one would be a service to Oxford when it passes through on this platform. The next one this side. Right, passing through now, the 1423 pass to Oxford. Formed of 165039, heading to Oxford. Right, passing through now is a service that originated from Oxford. It's an original style 168. Original style 168 is 168002. On a service from Oxford to London Marylebone. Right, passing through now is a service to Birmingham Moor Street. Formed of 168 to 17. Heading to Birmingham Moor Street, as they say. Right, coming back from the sidings now is 165036, ready to form the 1431 service to London Marylebone. Like 1428 now, so So in about 3 minutes, real time rather than video time, we'll be heading to Marylebone 165036. Right, departing out the 1431 to London Marylebone, formed of 165036. Right, one more train I'll film before I leave for my final station of today. Right, coming in now is the final train of this video, which is the 1437 service to Aylesbury. So as this service comes in, the unit on this service is 165026, and there's another 165 at the rear. I'm not quite sure of the number. So as these comes in, I'll film them to part. I'm going to end my video from Gerrards Cross here. If you have liked what you've seen here at Gerrards Cross, then please do like and subscribe. Please leave any comments below, because I'll get back to them as and when I can. And any recommendations are welcome, so please do leave them in the comments. Gerrards Cross has been a great station to film at. I've really enjoyed my session here today. Yes, it's the same sorts of stuff that does come through Gerrards Cross, as we saw at High Wycombe, and the same at the next station I'll be filming at, which would be High Wycombe. Like lots of 165s, 168s, like a few, maybe one or two of the loco haulage units. I didn't manage to see any Class 172s in this video, which is different from the Wembley Stadium video. But it's still interesting, nonetheless. Gerrards Cross, I think, is a neat little station, and I certainly enjoyed filming here, about 2 years after I last filmed here, back in July 2017. As they say, my next station will be High Wycombe, so please do check out my video from High Wycombe once it's been released. And if you want to catch up with all my latest content, then please do remember to click the subscribe button below and click on the notification bell, so you get notified whenever I release a video. So please do that, as if you're interested in seeing what content I have to offer on this channel. Anyway, the next lot of content, as I say, would be a Trains That video from High Wycombe, so please do check it out once it's been released. Meanwhile, thank you guys for watching my video from Gerrards Cross. See you all at High Wycombe. Cheerio.